Hello, I'm Ahmet. I'm the CEO of Scatterin, a spin-off company from research at KTH. Imagine large microscopes, as large as a football field, and they make the features of materials that we can't see in our laboratories visible. They provide high resolution and cut the time for materials analysis, 1 second instead of 1.5 hours. But these facilities, called neutron and synchrotron X-ray facilities, create gigabytes of data, and the analysis of such data sometimes takes months, sometimes years, and even sometimes the data is left without any analyzing. But we need those materials analysis results now to innovate greener materials and processes. In Scatterin, we develop an easy-to-use software for automated data analysis that has recently delivered results within 2 days. We have started to cut time, reduce cost, and also eliminate the need of having an expert to use such large and powerful microscopes. Scatterin can lead the transition towards green and rapid materials and process innovations using neutron and synchrotron X-ray facilities. If you want to know more about us, please feel free to visit our website, scatterin.com. You can also email us via Ahmet or Peter@scatterin.com. Thank you.